In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset or retrieve a forgotten Hotmail password, helping you navigate the account recovery process. If you've been struggling to regain access to your Hotmail or Microsoft account, we'll resolve that today. First, start by visiting the Outlook login page on Microsoft 365. Open your preferred web browser and enter the official Outlook login URL in the address bar. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for easy access in the future. Once you arrive, look for the sign in button. Click it to go to the page where you can enter your credentials. This step is essential as it begins the password recovery process. Type in your Hotmail email address carefully. Make sure it's the correct email associated with your account. Typos here can prevent you from moving forward. After entering your email, click the next button. Now comes the crucial part. Click the link that says, "Forgot your password?" located just below the password field. Selecting this will guide you through Microsoft's security verification process. You may be asked to answer security questions or verify your identity through email, phone, or an authenticator app. Follow each prompt carefully. These steps are in place to protect your account, ensuring that only the rightful owner can regain access. Hide your identity, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong, using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It's also a good practice to update your recovery options, such as adding a backup email or phone number to make future recovery easier. By following these instructions, you'll be well on your way to regaining access to your Hotmail account. Remember to be patient and attentive to details during the process. With these steps, you should be back in your account in no time. After regaining access, consider signing in on trusted devices and avoiding public computers to maintain account security. Keep this video handy for future reference, and thanks for joining me today. Until next time, take care and see you and happy emailing.